Good morning class, welcome to our English class. Today we will start a new lesson, that is lesson 7, Yuki and the Tsunami. So Yuki is the name of the boy in the lesson, and the tsunami, as we all know, tsunami is a giant waves caused by earthquake, and they speed up along as fast jet planes. They move very fast, and they severely, hugely damage or hugely destroy the lives of people. So this lesson is in the form of a play that tells about earthquake, what happened after earthquake, and that is what if tsunami came, earthquake, first earthquake came, and then after that followed by tsunami. So here are some cast. You can see the cast are, one is narrator who is telling small things about the lesson and what is going to happen now, what was the scene narrator is telling. And then Yuki is the name of the child, you can say the hero or the main character in the lesson. Then Yuki's father, Yuki's mother, then first villager, second villager, and other villagers. So come on, scene 1. Scene 1, narrator. Now narrator is telling, this play is a folk tale from Japan. Folk tale means, folk tale is an old story that's been told again and again, often for generation. जो हम बहुत पहले से अपने हमारे जैसे दादा कोई कहानी सुना रहे, उनसे पहले उन्होंने सुनी हुई है, वो जनरेशन टू जनरेशन वो ट्रांसफ़र हो रही है. सो दैट इज़ अ ट्रेडिशनल story. It is a folk tale from Japan. Yuki and his father and mother are outside their home, and Yuki's father and mother are outside their home. There is a fire in front of their home. So there is a fire in front of their home. आग जल रही होती है उनके घर के आगे. They are getting ready for the festival that night to celebrate a rice crop. So they are getting ready for on that day there was a festival of rice crop in which they harvest the rice, and they were getting ready for that. जैसे हम लोग दिवाली पर शाम को तैयार हो जाते हैं, फिर दिए जलाते हैं एंड पूजा करते हैं, सेम लाइक दैट दे ऑल्सो getting ready and decorating. The villagers were walking back and forth talking to each other. और जो villagers होते हैं आगे पीछे इधर जा रहे उधर जा रहे, मतलब they are all indulge in celebration, indulge in decorating. They are carrying paper lantern, baskets of food and other decorations. You can see in the picture the girl is holding the paper lantern and the bag of food. Yuki, father, I cannot reach the branches of the tree to hang these flowers. Will you help me? So here Yuki is asking his father that he actually his height is small, so he is asking his father to help him in hanging the flowers on the tree. Then Yuki's father, these flowers are very pretty. He is praising the flowers that they are so beautiful. They will look nice on the bushes there, and they will look nice on the bushes there. जो वहाँ पे झाड़ियाँ हैं जहाँ पर राइस क्रॉप हार्वेस्ट जब किया जाएगा तो वहाँ जो झाड़ियाँ हैं उन पर फूल लटकाएंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Our friends and neighbors will see them when we celebrate, and when they celebrate that rice crop festival, all will admire that how well our rice crops have grown. फिर बोलते हैं कि हमारा जो राइस है कितना अच्छा उगा है. Yuki, yes father, tell me again about our grandfather. Then Yuki is saying, father, tell me about his grandfather. And actually his grandfather was very smart person, and he knew everything about anything. Everyone come to listen to him, and Yuki always hears the story or words of grandfather by his father or mother. Yuki's father, everyone in our village remembers your grandfather. Then his father is telling him that everyone in their village remembers his grandfather. Why? He was a man who taught us how to grow rice so well. So why all the villagers remember his grandfather? Because he was the man who told how to grow rice so well. क्योंकि वही एक इंसान था जिसने उन्हें राइस की, चावल की अच्छी खेती करना सिखाया था. Everyone respect him because he was so smart, or that's why everyone respect him, and because of his mind. He was so talented and he was so smart. I know that you miss him. And then after that, father told him that he knows that you miss him a lot, Yuki. Yes, I miss him a lot. I miss him in the fields and hearing his stories. So Yuki is saying to his father, telling his father that yes, I miss him a lot, and while doing work in the fields, I remember him. And his stories, what stories he told us, I remember all that and miss all that. Narrator is saying, Yuki's mother steps out of the home. She is carrying a basket of fruits as she has been cooking inside. The villagers walk back and forth decorating the village paper, lanterns and flower garlands. So then narrator is telling what was now the change in scene, that Yuki's mother comes out from their home and she is carrying a basket of fruits. She was actually cooking dishes for that festival, and she is carrying a basket of fruits. The villagers walk back and forth decorating the village paper, lanterns and flower garlands. So the villagers वो इधर उधर जा रहे हैं ताकि अच्छे से वो जो लालटेन, पेपर लालटेन और फ्लावर गार्लेंड्स को सजा सके. गार्लेंड्स जो हम लोग कहते हैं लरी जिसको कहते हैं, a circle of flowers and leaves that is worn on the head or around the neck. Okay. And paper lantern is a lantern made of thin brightly colored paper. They are in various shapes and sizes. So you have seen lantern, and in that lantern is made of paper and flower garlands. Garlands are of flowers. You can see in the picture here the rice preparation. These are the paper lantern. You can see paper lantern made of paper. Different shapes, different sizes. And then here's the flower garland made of flowers. You can see this you can wear on your head and in your neck, on your neck, and these are for neck. Then Yuki's mother, there you two are. So sees them. अच्छा आप लोग यहाँ हो, come along, मेरे साथ आओ. We have a lot to do before tonight. रात से पहले हमें बहुत सारे काम करने हैं. You know that if this has to be a grand celebration, इसको बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब ग्रैंड बनाने के लिए हमें we should begin work, हमें अभी से ही काम करना पड़ेगा ताकि बहुत ही बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन हो. Yuki's father. Yuki and I were talking about grandfather, and that what a smart man he was. Then Yuki's father is telling his mother that they are talking about their grandfather, means Yuki's mother's father-in-law, and that what a smart man he was. And I was telling that how smart he was, how talented he was. He was a man of intellect. Yuki's mother. Yes, we all miss his grandfather Yuki. Then he was telling that we all miss him a lot. We remember him for the things he taught us, and we remember him because what he teaches us, what he taught us. हमें उन्होंने क्या क्या सिखाया था, हम उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा उन्हें याद करते हैं, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही स्मार्ट पर्सन थे, तेज़ इंसान थे, उन्हें हर चीज़ पता था, तो वो लोगों को शिक्षा देते थे कि इस काम को कैसे करना है. सो दे ऑल रिमेंबर हिम फॉर वॉट ही taught them to Yuki's father. And then after that mother tell his father, Yuki's father, Yuki can work himself, please come with me for a while. उसकी मम्मा कहती हैं, यूकी की मम्मा फादर से कहती हैं कि यूकी अपना काम खुद कर सकता है एंड आप मेरे साथ आओ थोड़ी देर के लिए, टू यूकी. एंड फिर यूकी से कहते, हियर इज द बास्केट ऑफ फ्रूट्स, टेक इट टू द सी एंड rub it clean and dry. Then she gave him basket full of fruits and to wash it and make it dry from the sea. The narrator is telling what was the scenario now. The first village boy and other villagers have been walking back and forth behind Yuki and his family. So the villagers, the first villager, the village boy and the villagers have been walking back and forth behind Yuki and his family for decoration. Now Yuki holds the fruits and walks slowly. अब यूकी ने हाथ में बास्केट पकड़ लिया था फ्रूट का और धीरे धीरे चल रहा था. Suddenly he wobbles on his legs, or suddenly wobbles me to move from side to side in an unsteady way. वो लड़खड़ा जाता है. Then Yuki, what was that? The earth moved. उसके बाद वो चलाता है कि क्या था, और अभी धरती अभी हिली है. नरेटर, द अर्थ मूव्स अगेन. इवन everyone drops what they are carrying, then the movement stop, the villagers start to laugh. And then फिर से धरती हिलती है. उसके बाद जो विलेजर्स थे उन्होंने जो भी पकड़ा हुआ था वो फेंक देते हैं, और उसके बाद मूवमेंट जो होती है, जो अर्थ हिल रहा होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ अर्थक्वेक it stops and the villagers start to laugh and they make the fun of that, because Yuki has shouted that earth moved, so everyone does not believe him. See the rice crop, this is to be harvested. And then first villager, I lost my balance, you. Then first villager asked the other that मैंने अपना बैलेंस खो दिया था, मतलब मैं एक स्टैंड पे नहीं था, एक अपने स्टैंड पे मैं हिल गया था. You? Then second villager, I did not, I am sure shoot it. Then second villager is saying that not likely to fall when walking or climbing on rough ground. So he said that no, I am still there. Narrator, the first villager pats the second villager on the shoulder and they laugh. उसके बाद फर्स्ट थोड़ा सा टैप करता है उसके शोल्डर पे and both laugh. Yuki, wait, the earth moved under my feet, it was an earthquake. And he said that the earth moved again, मेरे पैर के नीचे से ज़मीन हिली है, and that was, I am sure that it was an earthquake. Earthquake is a natural calamity, you all know. It is because of the volcanic eruptions. The tsunami came, and then before that earthquake came, that the shivering of the earth. First villager, oh Yuki, you are always thinking of the first. And then first villager saying, oh Yuki, तुम तो हमेशा गलत ही सोचते रहते हो. Second villager, we have not had an earthquake for a very long time. और हमें अभी तक earthquake नहीं आए कितने टाइम से. What makes you think that we are having one now? And तुम्हें क्या सोच रहा है कि हमें अब आया earthquake, अब आ रहा है earthquake. First villager, you just don't know how to have fun, Yuki, always working like your grandfather. So he's saying that you don't know how to get entertained or how to make fun, how to have it. You are always like your grandfather, that he was serious and he was alert about everything. Narrator. The villagers resumed their work as if nothing had happened. Resume means to begin again. Resume means to begin again. So the villagers carry on their work as if nothing has happened. They carry on their work. Yuki, wait, I see the houses below have moved. The sea has turned black. It seems the sea is running away from our village. Then Yuki is saying, रुको, मैंने अभी देखा कि घर जो है थोड़ा सा हिला है and the sea has turned back. जो sea है एकदम black हो गई है. It seems the sea is running away from our village. जैसे sea हमारे village से कहीं दूर जा रही है. To audience, he is saying in front of audience, he is saying that I remember what grandfather had said. To audience are the spectator. The play is having on the stage and the audience are there to come there to see. He was telling that I remember what grandfather had said. If the sea turns black and goes away from the shore, it is a tsunami. And he was saying that I remember what his grandfather had said. He remembered that what his grandfathers told him, that tsunami comes when these are the symptoms of tsunami, कि जो नदी होती है वो काली पड़ जाती है और शी शोर से दूर चली जाती है. जो बीच एरिया होता है, शी शोर किनारा जो होता है समुद्र का, सी का, नदी का किनारे, वो चली जाती है, दूर चली जाती है. इट इज़ अ सुनामी. और इसका मतलब है कि वो सुनामी है. First picture, look, the ocean has pulled back. We can see parts of the beach that we have not seen before. और देखो जो सी और पानी एकदम, ओशन का पानी एकदम दूर चला गया और हमें वो सारी चीज़ें दिखाई दे रही हैं जो आज तक हमने देखी ही नहीं है. सेकेंड विलेजर, लेट अस गो देन टू द बीच. सेकेंड विलेजर कहता है कि चलो फिर तो हमें बीच पे चलना चाहिए, समुद्र के किनारे. वी कैन कलेक्ट शेल्स एंड हैंग देम ऑन द ट्रीज. तो हम लोग वहाँ पे शेल्स जो है कलेक्ट करेंगे और उन्हें ट्रीज पे सजाएंगे. इट विल द बेस्ट फेस्टिवल. और ये हमारा बेस्ट फेस्टिवल होगा. Narrator, the villagers rush to the beach. Yuki waves his arms and tries to stop them. So villagers didn't listen what has happened and didn't care what Yuki has told. They all rush to the beach to collect the shells and Yuki waves his arm. हाथ हिलाता है, जैसे आप बाय करने के लिए वेव करते हो, हाथ हिलाता है कि उन्हें रोका जाए. He tries to stop them, but no one listens to him. Yuki, wait everyone, come, there is a terrible danger there. Grandfather told me that this happens before tsunami. Terrible means frightened. That it is a huge, dangerous danger there. And it happened, grandfather has earlier told him that this happens before tsunami. सुनामी से पहले क्या होता है, जो सी होता है वो ब्लैक हो जाता है और जो होता है शी शोर से दूर चला जाता है. They are doing and panting. Panting means quick short breaths usually taken with your mouth. So it was that you can see शी शोर से दूर चला गया है खूब तेज़, लेकिन उसके बाद वो उतनी ही तेज़ी से वापस आता है एंड डिस्ट्रॉय एवरीथिंग. नाउ सेकेंड विलेजर, what are you saying, Yuki? Why are you trying to stop us from going to the beach to collect shells? And he was saying, क्या कह रहे हो यूकी तुम? why you're going to trying to stop us from going to the beach, and we want to collect the shells, why you're stopping us from doing that? And these are the shells, सीप जिसे कहते हैं, these are the, okay. Yuki, no, you don't understand. No, that Yuki is saying that no, you are not understanding what I am going to tell and what I am trying to understand you. You are not listening to me and you don't understand. We all must run up to the mountain. We should all run to the mountain so that we can be safe. Narrator, all the villagers except the village boy leave for the beach. And narrator is then narrating that the scene, all the villagers except one village boy leave for the beach to collect the shells. Yuki yells to tell them to stop, and he tries to stop them, but then he stops. He has an idea. He got an idea to stop the villagers. Yuki knows that there is only one way to have the villager move up to the mountain quickly. So Yuki knows there is only one thing to stop them from going to the beach area and moving towards the mountain quickly. He takes a piece of wood and burns it at one end. एंड वो एक एंड से एक एंड को फायर में डालता है वुड के, और उसके बाद एंड रन्स विथ इट टू द राइस स्टैक एंड सेट दम ऑन फायर. उसके बाद जो राइस क्रॉप होता है उसमें आग लगा देता है उससे. व्हेन ही इज डूइंग दिस द विलेज बॉय इज वॉचिंग एंड द वन हु डजंट लीव फॉर द बीच, he watches everything what Yuki was doing. Yuki, fire, everyone run to the mountain quick. Then he, after putting fire on the rice crop, he tells everyone to move from there from the beach and quickly run towards the mountain. So class, we will continue with the scene 2 tomorrow. Okay. Thank you class.